Hello everyone, welcome to GigaBits. In this video, we're taking a closer look at a product called YooFibre, a new dietary fiber supplement that claims to improve digestion, support gut health, and even help with weight management. You've probably seen YooFibre advertised online, often promoted by influencers or wellness blogs that call it a miracle fiber blend. The company claims that with consistent use, it can regulate your metabolism, eliminate bloating, and detox your digestive system, all while being completely natural. As you can see, the price ranges from around $35 to $150 depending on the package and promotions available. However, it's important to note that there's very limited verified information about its actual formula. The official website lists ingredients like inulin, psyllium husk, and chicory root, which are common fibers but offers no independent clinical studies or transparent lab results to confirm their exact concentrations or effectiveness. Most of the online reviews you'll find are either suspiciously positive or vague, and many are hosted on affiliate marketing blogs that earn commissions for recommending the product. The marketing is glossy and well-designed, but it doesn't provide scientific evidence. So what's the truth? While YooFibre isn't an outright scam, it does contain fiber, which is healthy. It's definitely overhyped. You can find much cheaper alternatives at your local pharmacy that offer the same benefits. Not a total scam, but doesn't live up to its claims. If you decide to try it, do so carefully. It's expensive, lacks independent testing, and its claims are far from proven.